So what we've looked at is that we've looked at the risky apps. So what do we consider risky? Because there's excessive rights on these things, and these are the prime applications that we'd want to scope down. You can see it's really easy to see it from this view. We've looked at API permissions, and if we have a look at API permissions that we would want to understand, how would I know that there's a read.write.all on something, right?
Read, write.
Unless I can
Take the dot out between read and write.
Thank you. How do I know that it's there? So on this example, for example, I can see that I have a read write on channel message, right? So we'd want to understand where the read writes are. So very quick walk through this for the sake of time, Al, but it demonstrates the point that we don't have to only be stuck with a native interface. And what we have, even if we just look at the freemium, and let's just collapse this and come back to what it is that we can in fact do for free. So I'm going to refresh this view, and for free, at very least, we get this view, which is we get a score, we have an idea of how bad things are, and we have an idea of where to start. And that in itself is 0.0 on the slide that you had talking about inventory. We at least have a place to start.